Hi guys, welcome back. So this week has been a great week with the postage man. We've got a couple of things, we've got RC cars and some wicked slot car stuff has arrived. But today's video will be a friend to the ARRMA GROM Mojave. We've got the ARRMA GROM Granite. So let's get this fellow out of the car and take it over to the table and unbox him. Hey, how you going, Pepper? All she wants to do is play with the tennis ball. So yes, we've got the Mojave GROM that I rated as 2024's RC of the year. Still do, it's wicked. And in the last 24 hours, ARRMA have released the BLX versions of the Mojave and Typhon, and no doubt the GROM, the Granite will come soon as well. So yeah, they'll be brushless out of the box, 3S capable, heaps more sort of upgrades the way of shocks and stuff like that. But let's set the camera up to unbox this little fella. Where is my knife? So yeah, welcome back to sunny Darwin, guys. And yeah, last episode was the 300 subscribers, so thanks a lot. We've had a few more on the way. We're on a steady increase, I tell you, it's unreal. So yeah, you got the typical ARRMA great packaging. Let's get this out. Chuck that over there. There we go. So we've got the Granite. So you get the little ARRMA QR code and stuff if you want to go on the site and all that sort of jargon. But let's get a bit more of a look at the box. So yeah, it's like a little monster truck. Now, you know, every company, Traxxas, Associated, ARRMA, they've all got their different aspects of scale. So I'm pretty sure they're saying that these are 1/18th scale. More like a 1/14th in my opinion, because there's the 1/18th Traxxas TRX 4. So yeah, there you go. So you got a TRX 4 1/18th scale up against the ARRMA 1/18th scale Mojave, which in my opinion is a little bit more 1/14th, but who cares? It's all scale. They're rippers. Chuck that fella back over there. So yeah, as you can see here on the box, I've got the green one. So you got the green, red, and more of a red, white, and blue American theme. They all come with that little charger, USB, and a 2S 1400 milliamp battery. They're a great battery. I'm very impressed with the battery so far. The GROM, the Mojave's had about, probably 20 cycles. And it's going gangbusters. Same little controller. Brushed motor, 380 mega, 28 turn brushed motor. Seems like this one's got a little aluminium heatsink on it, which is great. Metal geared servo. ESC and all that's proprietary through Spectrum. Uses their smart battery, blah blah blah. If you want to stop and pause the video, you can see that a bit better. Over here, we've got the great clipless body. I'm looking forward to this because the Mojave clipless body is unreal. All metal drivetrain. No, hang on, don't quote me on all metal. What else have we got over here? Deadly rims, plastic filled oiled shocks. We've already gone that side, we've gone that side. All right, let's open this puppy up. I love that factory seal, eh? Oh, look at that little wicked beast, man. Wicked. So, a bit more cardboard. Wicked. So inside the box, got your controller underneath the second layer. Let's pull all that out as well. So yeah, same controller as the Mojave. Steering trim, steering rate. You've also got your 50, 75, 100% throttle capacity. If you've got young kids and you don't want them to destroy things, you can knock that down to 50% throttle. As they progress, you know, click it up 75, 100% for the big lads. But no, it's a good little controller. 4 AA's. You get the 4 AA's in there. They've really stepped up their game, man. They got 4 AA's, got some little shock cap retainers. There's a USB Spectrum charger. You get a half decent metal tool with a couple other little Allens. ARRMA badge tool. Not too shabby. You get this little custom little plate to add to your little collection. So I've got one now for the Mojave. I've just got to get the Typhon now. They're really hard to come by now in Australia. No one's got stock. There's a few in America, but you're not paying $100 postage. Defeats the whole purpose, doesn't it? So we'll put everything back in the back there except for the AA batteries, which we need. Leave them there, but let's have a look at that. Let's peel the plastic off. Oh, man, what a wicked little beast. Look at that. Let's get some better shots of that. And that is a tight little rig. The green is just popping in real life. Little fatty monster truck rims. Lovely plush suspension. What do you think of that, Muttley? Eh? Yeah, he's approved. He's got the little head nod. So let's try and get this body off and have a look underneath. Alright, that and that. Okay. So how's that going on? Oh, okay, so it just goes, slides on. Oh yeah, okay. So yeah, to get the body off, I don't know if you can see right through here, you got the little ARRMA push tabs. So you get your two fingers in there, push and push up the body, and then she comes off. So you've got a little lip here. You get the front in the lip, and then push down, you know, and it clips onto the back here. Got your 2 little clip points here. So when you see that? So you push those 2 in, releases the body, and a little clip retainer at the front. Lovely load. Look at that little heat sink, anodized red. That looks sick. Little brushed motor, all same setup as the Mojave. This one here, actually, the chassis is a little bit smaller, so you don't have that little foam insert. But there's the little 2S battery. You know, 30C, packs a little punch, no swelling yet, charge is great. What else am I looking for? Little plastic oil-filled shocks. So I've got other batteries already charged. Let's compare it with the chassis of the Mojave. So there you go. It's a little bit, Mojave's a little bit longer wheelbase, and then you'll see there the Granite is quite wider. The fattier tyres. Oh, totally bottom. The chassis is totally different. So they're called a Grom, but there wouldn't be too many parts here that are interchangeable between the Granite and the Mojave. But awesome platform regardless, you know. So let's put that one aside. Oh, don't run away. Don't run away on me. So let's get this body back on. Hang on, let me go get a fresh battery. putting the charged battery in from the Mojave. Hang on, let me get the double A's in the controller. Crack them out of their little plastic wrap. And guys, while I'm mumbling away here, if you've watched it this far along, much appreciated, I thank you. I know it's heavily slot car, but I love RC cars too, so I'm going to be mixing it up a bit and adding more content. So keep watching, subscribe if you like RC, drones, all that sort of stuff. Let me get the orientation of these batteries right. So I think it's 2 down, 2 up. That's better. Battery's in. Let's see if this is all bound up, ready to go. Oh, plug the battery in would help. Boom, out of the box. Battery's in. Steering. Steering, reverse. The dogs have heard the car start, so it's chaos. So what I'm going to do is I'll cut from the table, we'll get it all set up, and we'll go have a run. We'll run it up on the block, and then later on I'm going to take it down the skate park like I did the Grom, and we'll go from there. There you go, body on. So yeah, cut from here, let's go down outside for a run. Let's go, little ARRMA Granite GROM, first run. Yeah, she's a little ripper. Very similar output power to the Mojave. Oh yeah, for a brushed motor, power to weight ratio is great. She's a little ripper. Almost wheel stands with a brushed motor, so imagine putting a brushless in it. Take my glasses off. Don't really need them, Tony. Oh, it loves getting rocks stuck in the wheels. Could do with a little bit bigger offset on the wheels. And then she's tearing it up. Get a couple of these going at a skate park. We've got the helicopters coming over. They do the big pub crawl, pub lunch. So you can get a helicopter ride here in Darwin that'll take you from the city to 4 or 5 different pubs all around Darwin and the surrounding areas, like a pub crawl in a helicopter. It's about $800 Australian, I think. But no, she's a little ripper, man. Yeah, she's kicking up the rocks real good. So yeah, man, I reckon bang for buck 2024. So this cost me what, 200 bucks Aussie. So that's got to be what, 139, 140 American. Little wicked little beast. There we go, guys. So I've had a few of my subscribers, which are actually family, looking for sort of Christmas gifts this year for probably $210, $220 posted Australia. A little RC car from a quality brand. Don't just bash, blast, it says. So yeah, if you haven't already subscribed, guys, subscribe to the channel. But that's my little review of the ARRMA Granite GROM. Cheers, guys.